with something a little different today. This is something I've been wanting to try for a while, just because I watched the infamous LA Beast do this, and that's eat a lemon with the skin on. Now, I watched him do it, I've watched a few people do it, and I just thought it was something I'd like to try, because I've never eaten a full lemon before. So yeah, I've even got a bag of them right here just in case I fancy another one if I can do the one. But I'm feeling confident now. Let's see how long that lasts. Cheers. Sour. Really thick-skinned. My eye watering a bit. Oh. It's getting really hard to swallow towards the end. Oh. Ugh. Well, it's something I'm glad I got off my chest. That was fairly unpleasant. First few bites were alright. Towards the end, got really stickly, hard to swallow. Anyway, cheers.